Hey everyone, I'm Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I got a unbagging to do here, and something I actually ordered it on one of my live streams. You know, you also, if you're watching that live stream, you saw me order it. I was on Monday night, the Monday Night Fireside chat, when I had Tammy at Rebel Canners up there, and she told me about a specific book here to get. And so I went ahead and I got this because, hey, we're gonna be talking about one jar meals on the Monday Night Fireside chat here coming up here, and we'll be talking about different ones, different types of stuff. And she said this is the best book to get, so I got it, and we're going to be probably talking about some of these meals on the show itself, and then plus I'm going to try to can some of them in my pressure canner. So I figured it's best to get some good meals recipes here for it. So that's what I did. All right. So hopefully I will see you around on Mondays, which we are starting 2 hours earlier than we have been doing. We're starting it now at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Figure your local time out from that. But yeah, we'll be covering a lot of food stuff on Mondays for a while. All righty. Hope to see you around. Take care. And if you can, grow something indoor this winter because food prices are just too dang stinking expensive.